Hello, about the RSS feed of Builderall. We are on the Friday 28th of January. So here is the state of the RSS feed. As you can see in a W3C validation service, this feed does not validate because of one small mistake, which is on line 2, channel, there should not be rel equals self. This has never been mentioned at any time since the last 3 months, but it appeared about in December. I don't know why. So this needs to go. It's written unaccepted rel attribute on channel element. So should have nothing here. So the state, what is missing in this RSS feed from now? I will say two things are to be done. The first things, which is good, is that as you can see, in all the items, one line has been removed, which was the wrong atom link. The one who should be in channel, like it's written here. So you should add a line, and I will show you which line. But the second thing, which is not perfect at all in this RSS feed, is the publication date. If you look at it, you will see that it makes no sense. So the publication date doesn't correspond to the article publication date. I don't know where it comes from. Let's look at it. Here you have 27 January, then another one 27 January, another one 26 January, the other one 27 January, 27 January, 27 January, 27 January, 22 January, 26 January, 27 January, 23 January, 26, 23, 27, 27 January, 25 January, for items that are now have been published like in November or December, I don't know, but not in January. So were they all updated? No, of course, they were untouched. So as you scroll down the list a lot, and you see what is here, 23 January. Yeah, and we go down, then we have 1st December, but then the next is 29 December, 16 December, 19. Now we have 15 August, then 2nd November, 4 November, 29 November, 26 November, 1st December 2021. We go down September, November, and then we have 25 January 2022. So this publication date is nonsense and needs to be fixed. Just do it for the article publication date or the article last modification date, up to you, but make it relevant in some way to something, because here it's totally random, and you go down towards the end of this RSS feed, and then we see 16 November 21, 16 November 21, 12 December, 10 January 2022, 18 August. Okay, so you get my point. And now we will come back to the line that needs to be added within channel. So if you look at it, okay, this is the current RSS feed from today, so the 28th of January. And what we need to do is, first, as I said, remove this rel self. You remove it, and then within the channel, so it could be, for instance, after link, here you need to add the atom link. So it's written like this: atom colon link href equals, and then you put the blog URL. So not the blog URL, the blog URL RSS feed URL. So it's w.us.blog.builderall.com. So of course this will be different for each blog on Builderall. Here I'm doing it only for the one, the official blog. And then it's RSS, because this is the link to the RSS feed. And then you write rel equals self, okay, here, and type equals application RSS plus XML, okay, and you close like this, with a forward slash. Okay, so now it's fine. We remove in channel the rel self, and we added this line which says that the RSS feed URL is here. So I verify to be sure that I don't give you a mistake. Atom link, yes, href equals the correct URL to the RSS feed, rel equals self, and type equals application RSS XML. Okay, so that's fine. This line is good. And that's it. And then the publication date would be nice to fix that. And also, as we talked about before, it would be nice to have a description that is different from the title, but this may be in another step. We can request that. At the moment, it's fine. Everything is fine. Thank you. Bye-bye.